as we have started our topic of Python libraries, let's move towards our first library, which is Pandas library. Panda is a Python library which we use for data analysis and manipulation. What it means, it is used to handle data cleaning, and to store the data in a tabular form like Excel or CSV. So why people use it? People use it because of its speed, its ease and versatility. And where it's used in data science, machine learning, finance, etc, etc. Now it's time to move towards our project of the day. So we are given a complex data and we have to store it in a understandable format and to get our output. So here is the data, 2018 Central Park Squirrel Census, which is full of data. All the information we required for squirrel, their XY position, their ID, shift date, their age, their fur color, highlight fur color, etc, etc. What's our job here? We have to find how many squirrels have gray color, how many have cinnamon color, how many have black color. There are only 3 type of color present in squirrel. So straight moving to the code to find it from this complex data. So import here Pandas library, as we are working with Panda as Panda. So in the last video we saw how we used to create CSV and store it using Panda. That knowledge is also going to work here. Going to read from that CSV file. Data is equal to panda.read CSV. This is a function in Pandas library through which we can read any file. So here we are going to read this file. Next thing we are going to do is to calculate all the squirrels with gray color present. So gray squirrel is equal to length of, here is length of data. When we print length of data, it will print all these gray color squirrels present in the file. To print only the primary fur color gray squirrels, we have to use another data that will print all these gray color squirrels in the rows of primary fur color. So next we are going to call primary fur color, which is equal to gray, and print only to see the result we are getting. So the gray color squirrels are 2473 in number. Next doing same for each of them. Next is red color. So red squirrel is equal to length of data into data, primary fur color is equal to red. But in this file we not used red, we used cinnamon. So we replaced it with cinnamon, and the final one is black. So black squirrel is equal to length of data into data for black color. Now printing all of them one by one. Print. So all of them are now present in number. The final thing we are going to do with our project is to create a dictionary and store these numbers inside it, and then make a CSV file. So creating state a dictionary. First key will be the fur color, which we will store these colors, and next thing will be their count. So it will also be stored as a list. First thing will be gray squirrel, sorry, a typo error here, gray squirrel, next red, and then black squirrel. And after that we are going to create it into a CSV file. So df.to CSV, and the name of it will be squirrel data.csv. So before running the program, here you can see there is no squirrel data.csv, but after we run the program it will be created. Here it is created, squirrel data.csv. We run it, and here you can see for color gray count 2473 and cinnamon 392 and for black 103. So that was our project, and I will recommend you to try it by yourself. Hope so you gain some knowledge from it. If you gained it, then please like the video, share the video with your friends. See you in the next video.